Google is something that you use on a daily basis. You are on the search for solutions, you look for amusement, and do research to prove your friend wrong. But did you know that you can use it to make a lot of money on the internet as well? A website exists that will pay you to just search on Google. You may use it on your phone as well as on your laptop or desktop computer, and you can do it from any location in the world at your convenience. You can do it from your bed while on vacation at the beach, while waiting in line, from the comfort of your own home, or virtually from anywhere as long as you have access to the internet. You may start earning money right now if you keep watching till the end of this video where I will walk you through every step of the process. I will go through each and every step with you, and I'd like you to accompany me on this journey. As soon as this video ends, you will be prepared to go out on the internet and make some real money. So pay great attention and carefully follow the instructions. Also, bear in mind that this is going to be a really incredible, simple guide because we will only be using two websites. Let me just tell you that this method today does not require a specific set of skills or experiences. All you need is your laptop or phone and you are good to go. This is also available to be done by everyone around the world. There are no restrictions on which specific countries can do this. And most of all, this method is completely free. You do not need any initial payments or monthly subscriptions to start off. Imagine earning money for free. However, you still have to devote some of your time and effort to do this method and earn money. Yes, it is free, but effort is required. Oh, let me just tell you that you won't be a millionaire overnight just by doing this method. It will not replace your day job, and you need to put in continuous effort in order for this method to work. This method can help you earn extra from what you are earning right now. It will not make you a millionaire, but it can help you with your day-to-day expenses. Now that's all out of the way, all you have to do now is sit back, relax, and grab a beverage and pay close attention to this video. Because if you miss even one part of this video, then you will not be able to successfully make money when it is your time to do it. So watch carefully. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. Before I start the tutorial, let me tell you something. There have been a lot of questions about why I'm sharing these strategies with you, such as why I don't simply keep them to myself and profit from them. I'm doing this to support you because I know that there are a lot of individuals out there that are struggling to earn money online, and I already have my own business model that generates far more revenue. And when I say a lot more, I really mean like $700,000 in 13 months, or anything along those lines to be precise. Now going back to the video, so the first step you should be doing is open Google and leave it there. For the time being, mindsumo.com will be the primary website that we will be utilizing in conjunction with Google in order to generate money online. Continue to watch because if you just go to mindsumo.com and try to figure it out on your own, you will be completely baffled as to what you should do. So watch this video first, then do this method. As you can see, mindsumo.com has collaborated with some of the most well-known brands in the industry. You can relax knowing that this is worthwhile. They have collaborated with companies such as Pepsi, Johnson & Johnson, Amazon, Starbucks, Disney, Adidas, Facebook, Coca-Cola, Spotify, Microsoft, American Express, Yahoo, IBM, and plenty of other notable names in the industry. If you look at this section, these are some of the projects or tasks that you can work on. If we look at this particular section right here, we can see how much you can be paid when you do the project or task. Companies can pay you a lot of money from $800 to $2,000. All that for a simple Google search. The best part is there are tons of tasks on this website and there will be new tasks that you can do each day. So for a simple Google search each day, you can earn this amount of money or maybe more. There's a lot of money to be made on this website. All you have to do is create an account on mindsumo.com. And you might be wondering, how do you go about doing that? So you go to this page and click on the login sign up link. And since you do not have an account yet, click on the link that says don't have an account yet, and it will redirect you to the registration page. What you want to do next is fill out this form with your first name and last name, location, email address, password, birthday, and gender. The next part on this form is the most crucial part, so pay close attention. On this part, you will be asked to rate yourself in the following skill areas. These skills are creativity, marketing, and technical skills. On the drop-down menu, you will be given 6 choices from no proficiency to high proficiency. What I advise you to do is choose between average to high proficiency. Choosing these options results in more tasks and projects being available to you. It does not matter what your actual proficiency is, just choose either average or above average or high proficiency so that you are sure to get more tasks specifically for you. After that, just answer these 2 questions right here as truthfully as you can and check the appropriate boxes right here because these are other options that lets you receive weekly promotional emails and newsletters, and we don't want that. We don't want to be flooded with spams and newsletters, so refrain from checking these 3 specific boxes. After doing that, complete the user verification and then hit sign up. Just like that, you are now a member of mindsumo.com and you can do the tasks and challenges available here. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. As soon as you get into your account, you can scroll down a little bit and you'll be able to see all the different challenges, questions, and projects that you can participate in and earn money from. As you can see, they're willing to pay anywhere from a few $100s to several $1,000s for each project. And here on the left-hand side, you'll be able to see a variety of different categories from which you may choose, ensuring that there will be no shortage of money to be made on this website. Now allow me to just show you some examples of these projects. If I open up this one over here, for example, you will be able to see how much money people have been generating just from this project, and you will be able to see how much money they have spent on their overall budget. Now I want you to go back to the categories and select one that you like. For example, let's pick the business category. It will then filter out projects which are related to business. Now I'll be showing you the Google trick that you can use on this website to easily finish a project. Now just select any project you want, for example this one. All you have to do is copy the question and then paste it on the Google search bar and just hit enter. You will then be greeted with a bunch of articles or posts related to the question. There are tons of articles that you can choose from, and I assure you that these articles are professionally written, so you don't need to worry about that. Now let's pick one article. Like this one, read it for a couple of seconds and just copy and paste the article content to a Google document. Go to another article, copy its content, and paste it on the document. The longer your answer is, the more money you may earn. Once you have satisfied with your own article, you can edit it. You can just change the font, change the color of the words, make it a bit bigger, and so on. Just make sure that the final output of the article looks professional for a high chance to earn more money. After editing the article, go to the file option right here and download the document as a PDF. Once it is finished, you can now submit it to MindSumo and earn lots of money. Keep in mind that you will not receive the entire prize money. Instead, you will be required to divide it with other competitors. However, as you can see, it was a really simple process. In fact, it only took me less than 5 minutes to create my own article using Google. You can do this to other projects too. Just search the question on Google, open up a bunch of articles and posts related to the questions. Copy some of the contents of each article onto a new Google document, edit it to make it look more professional, save it, and submit it. See? Easy as that. You did not even break a sweat. And the best part is you can earn a lot of money just by doing the process again and again. So, what are you waiting for? Go out there, do this method, and earn some money. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.